In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a promotion on LinkedIn. We'll do this on the LinkedIn mobile app, and I'll walk you through each tap so you know exactly where to go and what to fill out. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. On the home screen, tap your profile icon. If a small menu pops up, tap your profile again to open your full profile page. Once you're there, scroll down until you reach the experience section. This is where your work history lives, and it's exactly where your promotion will appear. On the right side of the experience section, tap the pencil icon to enter edit mode. At the top of that screen, tap the plus icon, then choose Add Position. This opens the form where you'll enter the details for your new role. Begin by typing the title of your new position. Use the exact wording you want recruiters and colleagues to see, and consider including the most relevant keywords for your field. Next, choose the employment type that best fits your situation, like full-time or part-time. In the company or organization field, enter the name of the employer where you were promoted. Make sure you select the official company page from the suggestions so it links correctly on your profile. Confirm that the I am currently working in this role option is turned on. This tells LinkedIn it's an ongoing position and helps mark it as your current job. Add the start date for your promotion so your career timeline is accurate. Then set your location and choose the location type, hybrid, on-site, or remote, so people understand how you work in this role. If you'd like, update your profile headline here to reflect your new position. This is the short line under your name across LinkedIn, and it's a great place to highlight your focus or specialty. You can also add relevant skills to this position to help your profile appear in the right searches. Choose skills that genuinely reflect what you do in the new role. If you have examples of your work, like a presentation, a portfolio link, or a short video, you can attach media files to showcase your achievements. Before you finish, take a moment to review everything. Check spelling, verify dates, and make sure the company and title look exactly how you want them to appear. When everything looks good, tap Save. You can choose whether to share this update with your network now or skip it and keep the change private. You'll be taken back to your profile, where you'll immediately see the new position added under Experience. If it's a promotion within the same company, LinkedIn may group your roles together for a clean, organized look. And that's it. Quick, clear, and professional. Thanks for watching, and congrats on leveling up your LinkedIn profile.